Here are a few quick tips for properly loading LD Davis protein glue into the Emmeci machine. Ideally, the glue should be staged in a climate-controlled area near the equipment about 24 hours before use. This will ensure you are not adding cold glue into the pre-melter. When you load the glue cake into the pre-melter, be sure to confirm the temperature is approximately 172 degrees Fahrenheit or 78 degrees Celsius. Once loaded, confirm your equipment temperature. This should be between 140 and 150 degrees Fahrenheit or 60 to 66 degrees Celsius. It is best practice to keep the pre-melter as full as possible. Loading too much glue at one time may cause delays in reaching the appropriate operational temperature. For more instruction on proper LD Davis product usage and processes, visit our website at www.lddavis.com.